Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Alright, Ethereum, Celsius. Ethereum's been having a real problem recently. You can see we're down off our highs for sure. But they're still paying interest consistently. Alright, here we go. Look at this. $24.00033 Ethereum paid. Alright, so it's basically double from before, the last one I made, because I added some cash to it. Although, when I added, Ethereum was still higher, but it's okay. It's still doing alright. I think Ethereum's coming back. All the crypto's coming back. It's a temporary setback. But the point is, Celsius is still paying consistent interest. That's awesome. So I hope this will appreciate over time and earn. Celsius is pretty cool. I like it a lot. Let's go back. Let's look at the other crypto. Yep. Bitcoin still 6.2. Still looking good. Still good rates. Get in while you can. I'm going to probably be getting some more over here. Alright guys, if you want to use my code below, free $40. Deposit $400 in the first days. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.